Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today in this video, I'm going to give you step-by-step guide to treat vaginal itching at home. Vaginal itching, it is caused by the vaginal infection, and the vaginal infection, this is one of the most repeatedly Google medical cases on social media. So watching this video, it will give you access to learn how to treat a vaginal infection at home. Before we continue, I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and share this video to your family and friends after watching. So now without any further ado, let's get started into the video. Hello friends, welcome to International Medical TV. Like I said earlier, in today's video, I'm going to give you step-by-step guide that can help you to treat a vaginal itching at home. Okay, let me talk a bit about recurrent vaginal infection. Before your vaginal infection to be called recurrent, you must have it 4 times in a year. So step 1, you have to take 150 milligram dose of fluconazole by mouth for 3 days. Step 2, you have to use a vaginal insertion or a creams medication. 90% of vaginal creams and the pessaries are all part of a class of drugs called INT'L, and they include mecanozoles and so on. So if you have a recurrent vaginal infection, so you need to use a vaginal cream or a pessary for 10 to 14 days. Step 3, you should be taking a boric acid. Boric acid have a mild antiseptic and antifungal action. Vaginal boric acid is a homeopathic prescription medication that also contains a probiotic or a friendly bacteria which scientifically called lactobacillus. Also to contain antioxidant, this product works by replenishing normal vaginal activity and balancing a vaginal flora. So if you have a recurrent vaginal infection, I recommend you to use a 300 to 600 gelatin capsule of a boric acid and insert it into your vagina for about 14 days. And here we have come to the end of this video. If you learned something new and you find it educative and helpful, subscribe to this YouTube channel and check our previous videos. Have a nice time. But wait, don't forget that if you try all these steps and there is no any improvement in your vaginal itching, so I recommend you to visit your nearest health center for a further investigation and management. Have a nice time. Bye.